Good morning, students. I hope all of you are well and safe at home. Today, we will continue that paths. Last day, we have discussed about the different dialogues like layer, then paths, creating paths. Last day, I have told you. Today, we will start transforming paths. Okay, how will you transform the paths? Transforming means like moving, rotating, then scale. So how will you do that? That we will see today. So transforming paths, here you can transform paths into selection using the transform tools. Okay, here you can move, scale, rotate the paths. So first you have to create the two transform paths. First you have to create the paths that we have discussed earlier. So how will you create the paths on your image? First you have to open the image and then you have to create the paths and then from the tools option dialog box, which one you will get in toolbox, under paths, click the selection from path button. Here you can see the picture. This one is toolbox tool option. Okay, so here you can see in tool options path, under this path you can see that is selection from path, selection from paths. I hope all of you can see. So this thing you have to select. The paths then gets selected. There you can see the image in screen, on the screen. So this path has been created here. No, all of you can see. Okay, so this one you can see selection from path. When you will select this option, selection from paths, then this the image you can see this selection path, this circle type of structure has come. So this is path. Okay, so now on the image window, click the tools menu, point to transform tools, then select the required tool. So anyone you can select. So here is for example in your book is given rotate, so you can select any other option also. So when you will click on rotate, the rotate dialog box will appear. So there you can see the different angles. So you just give the angle. Here you can see rotate dialog box is appeared on your screen when you will click on rotate. Under the angle action you can give the angle according to your requirement. Okay, then you can see beside the angle that spin box is, arrow box is there, the spin box. So you can change the slider to change the angle. Okay, so this is the way, and then you have to click on the rotate. Okay, so in this way the selected path gets rotated. Here you can see the selected path is rotated. Okay, image you can see rotated image, this one. Now next one is stroking paths. Stroking paths means it can be that paths can be converted into different line style using various colors, patterns, pen tools. Okay, so this paths can be converted into different line style. So that is the stroking paths. How will you do that? For that first you have to click create, and first you have to create a path and select that path on the toolbox tool option window. From the tools option you have to click under paths, stroke path option you will get. Okay, stroke path option. So you have to click on that stroke path button. So when you will click on the stroke bar button, the dialog box will open. So there you can see stroke line. There are different colors, solid color, pattern. Okay, so different things you can see over there. Then line width, you can see the line width of the stroke. Then line style, and one more option is stroke with a pen tool. Okay, so which one you want, you can do. Select the solid color or pattern soften option to change the stroke line. Okay, and from the line width drop down, click the up or down arrow to change the width of the path of the line, and click the stroke with a pen tool option. Select the required tool from the pen tool drop down list. You will get the pen tool drop down list to use the pen tools. Different type of pen tools you can see. So like pen brush, so you can select any one and then click on the stroke. So this is the way how will you click do the stroking paths. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.